Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and off late phones have kind of become stale. 64 megapixel plus 730G, 48 megapixel plus 720G, 64 megapixel plus 720G. It's just like manufacturers are trying out different combinations to see just what works. So when I heard that the Vivo X50 Pro is launching in India, I was kind of excited to check it out because, I had seen the promos and it showed a new gimbal camera tech in the phone, which is new and something that we haven't seen before. Well, this is the Vivo X50 Pro, and while the look and feel, the specs are pretty good, what's really exciting is the gimbal camera tech in this phone. And yeah, I've been using it, playing it around, and you know what? It has surprised me in a good way. Spoiler alert, beats the iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, watch the video till the very end. Anyway, so this is the camera setup that you get. It has a periscope telephoto lens with 60x zoom support. Two of these lenses, including the 13 megapixel portrait lens and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And then there's the big one on the top, like literally. The main camera here is a 48 megapixel Sony IMX598 sensor that features the cool 5-axis gimbal-like hardware around. I mean, you can see that the main camera is noticeably larger and it's built around a small gimbal system that's placed inside. And it kind of makes it look like the camera is floating. Here's a teardown video of the camera sensor, and well, this is what it looks like. Yep, this is cool, and to be honest, I did notice the camera moving just a bit when I was shaking the phone. Anyway, like I have said, this is the first time a gimbal camera tech has kind of made its way into a smartphone, so I've been testing it out thoroughly. Now, which is the phone that comes to mind if you want the absolute best video recording capability? Obviously, the iPhone 11 Pro. So what I've been doing is I've been shooting videos from the X50 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro side by side in 4K 30 FPS and compare the stability. It's gonna be interesting. Now, before I show you the comparison videos, do note that the Vivo X50 Pro has an ultra stable mode, which I did not use whatsoever for these comparisons. I did, however, calibrate the gimbal through the settings for better performance. So first up, I did a usual walking test to get a feel of things, and here's the comparison video. Now, I'm walking pretty swiftly here, and I think both these phones have captured very stable videos. If you look very closely, the X50 Pro is slightly more stable when there's some jug, but it's not a big difference. Anyway, I wanted to see a big difference, so I decided to shoot a comparison video while running. Yup, like this. Trust me, I did not enjoy this. So here are the videos I shot, and in this you can see a big difference. The Vivo X50 Pro video is way more stable, and if you saw me running, you'd know that even I wasn't stable. Okay, coming to the iPhone video, it has managed to minimize the up and down movement, but the jerkiness from the left to the right is just a bit too much. In comparison, you can see that the Vivo X50 Pro's gimbal system has made sure that the sideways jerk is handled very well. Here's another running video I shot. Yep, I gave my blood and sweat to this video. Again, you can see that the X50 Pro's gimbal camera system is way more stable. It's a great difference. And I know we're not comparing the video quality, but it's pretty good, I think. Yes, the contrast is a bit on the higher side, but I still like it. The video quality is very good. In fact, I even did a running test with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, I know that the S20 Ultra has a super steady mode, but that only works in 1080p, and I was shooting videos in 4K 30 FPS, so I took the comparison video with the usual modes. Okay, so here's the video, and here too, the X50 Pro's gimbal system is the winner. The S20 Ultra video just has a lot more shakiness in it, and it's just impressive how the Vivo X50 Pro's camera handles it. So I was actually impressed with the Vivo X50 Pro's video performance and kind of done with the running, but the video wants what it wants. So I wanted to check how things are in low light, because generally when we shoot a video moving around in low light, videos are really shaky, blurry. So I want to check that, and yes, again, I went for a run. Actually, no, first I shot this comparison video from the car from both the iPhone 11 Pro and the Vivo X50 Pro, and both the Pros did well. The X50 Pro video is on the darker side a bit, but the stability is spot on. Next, I did the running, yeah. So here's a video comparison, and well, quite expectedly now, the Vivo X50 Pro again is just fantastic. The iPhone 11 Pro video is just getting me dizzy, or maybe it's because of all the running. Anyway, it is super shaky compared to the Vivo X50 Pro. Stability aside, I did notice the X50 Pro's low light videos are a bit too dark when compared to the iPhone 11 Pro, so maybe that's a compromise in the system, but hopefully this can be fixed in the future. Overall, I think the new gimbal camera system in the Vivo X50 Pro works pretty well. I mean, it's not perfect because the video quality isn't as good as the iPhone 11 Pro, especially in low light where things are darker. But when it comes to stability, the gimbal camera system is impressive. To be honest, it's just exciting to see a new phone with a new tech in 2020. Because most of the phones I've used so far in 2020 have been generic with the usual standard specs. See, I just really hope that we get to see more and more innovative phones with new interesting technologies that actually get us excited. Well, here's hoping. Anyway, what do you think of the new gimbal camera tech in the Vivo X50 Pro? Tell us in the comment section below. And yeah, I did not talk about the rest of the phone because I was focusing on the new tech. So if you want to know all the specs, all the details, and check out this beautiful design, go ahead, check out a link from the description down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.